Good morning everyone. In the last class we have seen third lesson introduction transportation. So what is pulse rate, how it will be different in different people, all that we have seen. Today we are going to learn about internal structure of heart. What internal structure of heart? So internal structure of heart means heart के अंदर क्या क्या parts रहते. What are the different parts of heart we will see. So we can't cut the heart of a human being who is alive. So other organisms like goat, sheep, उसका heart ले सकते हम experiment के लिए, and we can cut the heart and we can see different parts present inside the heart. In your textbook, in page number 52, you have a diagram about internal structure of heart. That diagram you draw for the assignment. The diagram of internal structure of heart you have to draw for your assignment. So now we will study about what is heart and important parts, important points regarding heart. This notes is very important. Write down the notes by seeing this video. So heart is spear shape. Pear shape. What is pear shape? Do you know what is pear shape? Like this. Pear is a type of fruit and heart will be in the shape of that fruit, and also triangular, wider in the anterior. This is anterior and it is wider in anterior and narrow in posterior. Posterior means below part, anterior means above part. Anterior, posterior. Anterior में wide रहता, posterior में narrow रहता. Heart is covered by membrane. Heart is covered by membranes. Okay, and that membranes is called pericardium. Pericardium or pericardial membrane, and between these membranes there is a fluid called pericardial fluid. For example, this is a heart. Heart के ऊपर दो membranes रहते. Okay, there will be two membranes covering the heart. These two membranes are called pericardial membranes, and ये दो membranes के बीच में जो space है उधर water जैसा कुछ fluid रहते, and that fluid is called pericardial fluid. And what is the function of this pericardium and pericardial fluid? To protect heart from shocks. Okay, heart attack ऐसा कुछ आ रहे तो it will stop heart attack. It will stop any shocks. Next, heart is divided into 4 chambers. How many chambers? 4 chambers. For example, if this is a heart, like this, it is divided into 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers, upside रहने वाले ये दोनों are called auricles, and downside are called ventricles. Upper 2 are auricles, lower 2 are ventricles. And blood vessels found in the walls of heart are coronary vessels, which supply blood to muscles of heart. And in the walls of heart, this is heart and these are membranes. Walls of heart में कुछ blood vessels रहता, blood vessels, and that blood vessels को special नाम coronary vessels. Next, the walls of ventricles are thicker than the walls of auricles. Ventricles walls, they are thick रहते than auricles walls. Still here, write down the notes and do the assignment. Okay, thank you.